Here's a look at the nice sunrise this morning, captured by Warren Fault in Augusta County. We had some cloudiness, then it thinned out for a good amount of sunshine before more clouds rolled in throughout the course of the day. There's the little eye opener of the sun cresting the mountains and the clouds. Let's take a look at our numbers. Made it up to a high of 75 here on this election day at the airport. Right now 70. Skies are mostly cloudy, southerly winds. Air mass is beginning to moisten up just a bit, and it's been breezy throughout the course of the day, and it'll be breezy again tomorrow. 67 the current number at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, touching 73 for the afternoon high. Still at this hour, we've got 70 at the airport, 68 in Louisa, same there in Palmyra, 66 in Waynesboro, 68 currently in Harrisonburg, at 67 in Stanton. So we do have some clouds out there, and there have been a few very light showers down toward Blacksburg, Hillsville, southwestern Virginia. Some of those clouds are still working in our direction, but the air mass overhead is fairly dry, even though it's in the process of moistening up. So for the most part, we are dry tonight with a lot of cloud cover, and with those clouds around, a light southerly wind that'll keep temperatures in the upper 50s to around 60, certainly mild for an overnight in November. Tomorrow will be the peak of the warmth this week, with many of us in the upper 70s to around 80. Now, the record for Charlottesville tomorrow is 83, set back in 1961. That appears to be safe, but it's a very September-like day here for your Wednesday with a mix of sun and clouds, warm and breezy conditions. And that's all ahead of a cold front that'll work in here on Thursday to bring some scattered showers. And temperatures are still mild here on Thursday, and then we'll start to see those temperatures begin to fall a bit as we go into Friday and certainly this weekend. But when we're in the 60s for daytime highs, that's a lot more seasonable for November. High pressures offshore, a return flow out of the south and southwest, allowing again some cloudiness, but also bringing in the warmth. And the main storm system, the actual cold front, is still west of Chicago, but it's a wet go of things. Portions of Minnesota and Wisconsin and Michigan, down toward Illinois and Indiana, western Tennessee and Kentucky, back into portions of Mississippi and Louisiana. And you can see the warmth being driven ahead of the actual front, with temperatures well in the 70s up to the Ohio Valley here this afternoon and evening. Rafael, still a tropical storm, has soaked Jamaica, now working toward the Cayman Islands, will continue toward western Cuba, emerge as a hurricane out in the Gulf of Mexico, and by this weekend will likely make a landfall along the Louisiana coast as a tropical storm. Now, this weekend we'll have a front moving through the Ohio and Mississippi River valleys. Some of this tropical moisture could get linked up with that front, but right now it doesn't look like a whole lot of rain, but our best chance of rain will be on Sunday, with maybe some of the heavier amounts west of the mountains. In the short term, in the morning, 50s and 60s, afternoon highs here for your Wednesday afternoon, upper 70s to near 80, warm and breezy. And then here we are on Thursday with, again, a few scattered showers around anywhere from late morning to about sunset there on Thursday. Temperatures tonight, mid-50s to around 60. A look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Peak of the warmth this week, peaking out tomorrow. Temperature making a run near 80, and then those numbers will back off to more seasonable November-like levels, certainly by this weekend. We'll watch Sunday with the next best chance of maybe some beneficial rain. It's been a solid month now since we've had measurable rain. We need it.
All right, Eric, thank you.